Looks like you stuck your middle finger up in my face.
If someone flips you off, what is the citation? What's the crime?
You're under arrest for disorderly conduct. Get out of the car. Step out of the car, you're going to be ejected from the car.
Welcome back to the LackLuster channel. Gregory Bombard was driving through St. Albans when he passed Vermont State Police Sergeant Jay Riggin. As he passed the trooper, Gregory lifted his middle finger to the officer, and moments later, the senior trooper initiated a traffic stop.
You need something? You need something? Yeah. No, it looked like you put me out when you were going by there. Like you went like this to me as I was driving by. Were you looking? Did you not do that?
No, you might have thought I might have been stretching. I was doing this.
Okay, so you didn't...
No.
Okay, you didn't intentionally do that then?
I thought I flipped you off.
Yeah, it looked like you looked right at me and looked like you stuck your middle finger up in my face.
No, I was doing this. Yeah. You must be really sensitive if it's super not flipping you off.
Well, I don't need to make it personal, you know. I mean, you looked right at me. I don't know if you were like a cigarette or you had a...
You're one of those doing that.
First of all, I'm not an overly sensitive person. And it's the first time in 12 years I've ever stopped someone who I thought put me off, so I don't like that insinuation. You know what I'm saying? In talking to you,
I thought I flipped you off.
I want to make sure that you're all right. Yeah, it's unusual behavior.
It's unusual behavior.
You may not have been doing that, but I think you can agree that if someone was looking for the attention of a trooper, they're probably going to find it by giving them that type of negative signal. Do you agree with that?
No, I don't know, because I don't understand that.
So if somebody were to do that, can we? That may not have been you. Can we agree? If somebody did that for a trooper, they're obviously looking for their attention.
No, I wasn't looking for your attention.
I'm saying if someone did that. I'm trying to put you in my mindset from what I was thinking for a moment. Now that I'm talking to you, I realize that maybe that wasn't the case. Right? You don't strike me as someone who would do that. I don't know that until I have a conversation with you. Agree with that? I don't know you until I have a conversation with you.
Okay, so I have a question. If someone flips you off, what is the citation? What's the crime?
So if somebody flips me off, I don't know if they're signaling to try to get my attention because they need me assistance or they need to have a conversation. But obviously, it's not normal behavior, so I'm going to have that conversation. That's just not normal. I'm telling you, out of thousands of public interactions, I've never seen that. At least it didn't catch my attention, but it was so obvious what she did. Take a left here, take your first left. Take a left and your first left. So I won't take up any more of your time.
Well, I'm going to file a complaint with you.
You're more than welcome to. You super rigging out of the Salvador barracks.
But I don't understand why, you thought I flipped you off.
I was going by there, and your middle finger was extended while you were looking at me.
Maybe I was doing this.
Well, I also see you had a cigarette in your hand. Yeah. So it's possible that you had one hand up while you're cigarette.
That would be considered freedom of expression.
So you're more than welcome to. Yeah. So here's the issue. Yeah. Is that although maybe freedom of expression, it is so unusual that it requires intervention to make sure that you don't need help at the time. Maybe trying to signal my intention or something. Okay. So it may be freedom of expression, but it crosses the line, whereas it is so unusual that it requires intervention. And I'm not going to delay any more than I need to. Listen, sir, once I realize that you're one flipping me off, you're free to go. You understand?
You don't realize I flipped you off.
Once I realize
what if I did flip you off?
Then we have a conversation once it wasn't appropriate. So I have other things to do than to be.
So if I did flip you off,
have a good day.
Greg denied making a gesture at Trooper Riggin and was released from the unlawful traffic stop. However, as the trooper returned to his cruiser and the two pulled back into traffic, Greg once again raised his middle finger and cursed from inside his vehicle.
So if I get pulled away, he called me an asshole and said, "Fuck you," with the bird. I'm going to arrest him for disorderly conduct. There are multiple people around there. 240 Sonoma, send me another unit to Brainerd Street in the city. So, on Brainerd and off on North Main Street, another unit, please. Okay, so now you're under arrest for disorderly conduct. Get out of the car.
I'm under arrest for disorderly conduct. What did I do?
All the people there saying "fuck you" and calling me an asshole, all the people there in the public, that's a crime, sir. So get out of the car, you're under arrest.
How am I under arrest for disorderly conduct?
I'm not going to debate this with you. Please get out of the car. You are under arrest. Step out of the
But
car.
how is that disorderly conduct, sir? How is that disorderly conduct?
Although the first
Sir, I
interaction,
just got up.
listen to me.
I'm having
Although
a
the first,
coffee.
listen to me. Ask me a question. Although the first interaction may have been an error, the second one certainly was not. And while your window was down with your middle finger extended, you said, quote, yelled it, and then said, F you, as you drove away. And all that public there heard it and saw it. So that is disorderly conduct 101. Step out of the car. Step out of the car.
I'm having problems. I have a lot of...
Step out of the car. Or
Right.
step out of the car, you're going to be ejected from the car.
How am I going to...
Step out of the car.
Can I meet you at the barracks?
No, you cannot.
How
Step out of
am
the car, you're under arrest.
Can I call your
Do not.
supervisor?
We'll be at the barracks when we get there. Step out of the car, you're under arrest.
How am I under arrest?
Step out of the car, I'm going to make you.
But, sir, can you explain to me how that is...
It's disorderly conduct. It is tumultuous behavior of all the motor vehicle traffic there. That's
Yeah.
You cannot do that. It's
Wait,
tumultuous.
I don't
It's profane
understand that.
behavior in public.
I don't
That's disorderly
understand
conduct.
that.
Step out of the car. I'll lock the door. Step out of the car.
Oh, my God, I can't believe this.
Step out of the car.
You're serious, sir.
Walk back here.
Oh, my God.
It wasn't a problem until it became a problem. You understand that?
Are you kidding?
Almost at the foot of my hands on the hood.
Oh, my God.
Hands on the hood.
Come on.
And put your right hand on your back.
Oh, my God, sir. You're kidding.
Other
My
hand.
car's
Other
running,
hand. Other
sir.
hand. I'll take care of it.
I cannot believe this, sir. I cannot believe this.
The first one may have been there, and the second one certainly was
How
not.
is that disorderly conduct? I'm not being disorderly. How is it causing disorderly?
Now, we can maybe agree to disagree, but yelling asshole and saying fuck you with your hand out of the window in front of what probably
I
were,
was a little pissed
what
at the
probably
time.
were dozens of people, if not over 100 people, in very busy Main Street traffic. Now, that's disorderly conduct 101. That first thing may have been an error, then after that, it certainly wasn't. But now I'm wondering,
How is that disorderly?
but now I'm wondering if maybe you actually did do that, as I thought you originally did. Because only somebody who then would have the audacity.
I was smoking a cigarette and I was
You may
smacking my
let
fingers.
You may let me speak now. Someone has the audacity to do that. Someone has the audacity. I've made thousands and thousands of car stops, and I don't remember any time I've ever seen someone consciously put me in the bird side. Now I'm convinced that you did. Especially that behavior you have to get to the end of the stop. Okay, so you are under arrest, and that's the end of the story.
Whatever. I don't know what to do here, so I'm going to...
What we're going to do is just be compliant.
Well, I am, but I'm not going to answer my questions, I guess.
I'm
worried about my car.
I'm not intending to do that. I'm not intending to ask you any questions.
I'm worried about my car, sir.
That's what you're saying there.
You're kidding. I cannot believe this. Sir, can you please... Can I please go?
No. Nope. That ship sailed.
Oh, my God. I can't believe this. Oh, my God.
I'm all set now.
Greg was arrested and charged with disorderly conduct. He was jailed for over an hour and released on a citation to appear in criminal court. His vehicle was also towed during the incident.
So what happens to my car?
Well,
Man,
there's no parking inside the street, so it's going to get towed.
where? Where does it get towed?
I'll give you a record of your preference. Come back over here.
Can I get my personal bag?
I can grab it for you, but you can't grab it. You understand you've been arrested, right? So you don't just get to drag around your car now, right? I mean, you can't take it around now. You've been arrested here in custody, so
All right, whatever.
Afterwards, Trooper Riggin distributed information regarding the unlawful arrest, providing Greg's mugshot and other details about the incident to media outlets.
Lord.
I think we can agree your behavior is ridiculous. 99 out of 100 people who I thought that did that in the original stop, if it was an honest mistake, they'd be like, I don't know what you're talking about, I apologize for any error, and they would drive on. They wouldn't do what you did, which makes me think that you did do it now.
That summer, the court denied Greg's motion to dismiss the case, and then, in an apparent effort to show just how ridiculous and immune government officials are, in November of that same year, the Franklin County State's Attorney filed a second charge of disorderly conduct against him because of where he pulled over. The next month, almost a year after the incident, a sensible judge finally dismissed count 2, and the state's attorney dismissed the original charge a month after that. Greg is now being represented by Fire and the ACLU, and recently filed a lawsuit against Sergeant Riggin, the VSP, and the state of Vermont. And it appears that Sergeant Riggin has yet to face any disciplinary actions for this incident, and instead, the taxpayers will be severely punished for Trooper Riggin's shortcomings. But for now, the court of public opinion is in session. As members of the jury, voice your answers below. Should any trooper, let alone a supervisor, that doesn't understand that the middle finger and profanity is protected speech, still be allowed to work in law enforcement? Or does the officer deserve immunity or any other special privileges not afforded to the citizens they serve? I look forward to your verdict.
Drove by him, and I saw his middle finger extended at me.
Really?
So I went to have a conversation with him. Like, you need to, what's going on? Do you need help? Right? I mean, totally unusual behavior. What's going on? He denied doing it. So I said, okay, maybe you didn't do it. And then...
Yeah, absolutely. Did the opposite.
Yeah, obviously did. So when we got to the car before he left, he, out the window, yelled, "asshole," said, "fuck you," and flipped me off in front of 100 people.
Great. I will meet you at the barracks.
It's outrageous.
I'm going to have changes with this.
Okay, yeah.
We're going to the barracks.
Right.
Check out another investigation linked on screen. And thank you for putting up with my voice while I recover.